All right, we're back with Math Day 2, Unit 3. And like I said before, you're not going to have a whole lot to do this week. So Miss Morlock's got something that I'm going to do extra with you today. But that will be on a separate video, and I'll tell you about it in just a minute. All right, so today you're only going to do the front part of your math, your numbers, page 145. You're only going to do the front, okay? So we're going to color half of each shape. Each shape is a different color. So what I want you to do is I want you to look at the color of each shape, and like the tulip is a pretty purple color. So you can color either this side, this half, or you can color this half. But it will be purple, and each flower or shape will tell you what color to color it. All right, half, remember, equal parts. If I had a pie and I were going to cut it in half, I was going to give Miss McConnell half and me half, it would be equal parts, okay? So let's go down to number 2. And I'm going to read the combination, the sentence to you, the sentence story. You're going to write the combination, and then you're going to write the answer. You're going to write the combination with your answer, and then you're going to put the answer here, okay? Liz picked 3 daisies for Mom and 4 daisies for Grandma. All right, so I'm going to read that again. Liz picked 3 daisies for Mom and 4 daisies for Grandma. How many daisies did she pick? We have to write the combination. So right here, how many daisies did she pick for Mom? You'll write that right there. How many daisies did she pick for Grandma? You'll put it in the middle. How many daisies did she pick all together? So you're going to see how many daisies she picked for Mom and Grandmama all together, and put your answer here and here. And you're only going to do the front part of that today. All right? I want you to practice counting by 5s and 2s and work on your addition families. But I also have, and these are extra practice, okay? Rummage sale. So the money, don't get stressed out over the money. This is just extra practice. If you can do it, fine, and if you can't, since we weren't in school the last 6 weeks, this is just some extra practice. So what you're going to do, remember, a penny is worth 1 cent, a nickel is worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, a quarter is worth 25 cents. So down here you're going to draw a circle around the coins needed to buy each item. So the first item costs 12 cents. 12 cents. And when we count money, we always begin counting with the coin that's worth the most. So we have nickels and pennies. Which coin is worth the most, the nickel or the penny? Right, the nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So we have 2 nickels, and we count nickels by 5s. So let's see. I'm going to circle the first nickel. 5, 10, plus 1 more penny. I'm going to circle another penny. 10 plus 1 is what? Right, 11. Plus 1 more penny would be, right, 12 cents. 5, 10, 11, 12. 5 plus 5 more cents is 10 cents. Plus 1 cent is 11 cents. Plus 1 more cent is 12 cents. So we would need to circle 2 nickels and 2 pennies to buy that item. And then you're also going to have a subtraction page. And these are farm animals, some of them. And you're going to write your answer in the boxes, okay? So when you finish your math, I want you to take a little break because Miss Morlock will be doing a separate video. I'm sending home, this is actually the butterfly. So I'll be reading the life cycle of the butterfly on a different video. But today, you have this paper, okay? It's got a paper and it's going to ask you some questions. You've got two of them. Like a butterfly. Is a butterfly a mammal? No, he's not a mammal. day 1 what happens. So when I read this, when you watch the video, when I read this, you're going to have to listen very carefully with your ears, okay? All right, do a good job and take your time. And we're almost finished.